Hello folks, and welcome back to my channel, the Scottish Model Railway Guy. So if you've been coming here for a wee while, you know the kind of stuff I get up to, but what I'm going to do next is take all these learnings that I've got. You know, some of it's rougher than others, and that's all about what the last, 14 months has been. Learning how to do all this while I've been building the loft round about me. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to use this space over here to create a whole new zone called Altonhill No.6 Pit, which is going to be based around a coal mining colliery. So I'll show you that now. So we can see from here it's completely unfinished, and that's going to give me that blank canvas that I need, because up to now, yeah, I've learned a lot as I've went, but I've never, because I've been learning as I go, I've never had a blank slate to start from. So imagine this little loop here is actually going to be, you know, almost like a separate diorama or a separate layout of its own. And like I say, the whole series is going to be called Altonhill Pit No.6, and it's all going to be based down here. And I'm going to show you all the different things that I'm going to add to that section. So to be clear, this isn't a paid promotion, but because the showpiece is so important, I'm going to show you this laser cut colliery pit head from Laser Model Store, and you can see the model number there, SKU 1233. Now that looks fairly straightforward to build, but I guess we'll find out. But that'll be the showpiece of the area, and you can see, if I bring this a bit closer, you know how that's going to end up looking on my colliery zone. Now, of course, it's not going to exist alone. I'm looking at this Metcalfe Manor farmhouse to go with it, P0250 in double O gauge, and that little house there, I think will probably come across as a good sort of office space, and I can use this elsewhere on the layout. You have to realise it was originally going to be a farm zone, which is why I've got a manor farmhouse, and which is why I've got manor farm buildings. But I'm going to repurpose this, and these are going to be coal sheds, I think, in a coal bunker, and they're going to sit next to the little siding that I created a wee while ago. And at the same time, and this is going to be the trick, I'm going to have a railway bridge coming in from the edge where the back scene is, and then it will come down one way or another, so you've got a road going into the sort of coal mining area. And I suppose the main message is that we're going to come out of this better than what we went into it. We're going to see details like this, which are looking okay, but taken to a much higher level. My intention is over there to weather it and sort of spoil it to within an inch of its life in a way that I've never done with the rest of the layout. I will over the years, but I intend to do that zone right first time, now that I've got the skills that I've learned over the past wee while. And this is a little zone here that we're going to focus on. On the face of it, a very simple zone. We've got a little siding here that's getting used at the moment. I'll pull it round here so you can get a better look at that from down there. And I need to do some transitioning, probably some scenics, as it changes from sort of one background to another, which was a deliberate choice, by the way. So yeah, this is going to be Altonhill Pit No.6. I need to get the lighting right. You can see I've got a strip of lighting going along the top there. I'm not 100% sure of it yet, but I will get it right in the end. Thoughts? It would be welcome to hear them. But for right now, it's time to park this little Hornby Strathclyde Transport Class 101 DMU at Bickering-Bush Station and look forward to the new series that's coming. You can see the details that I've put in across this zone, and it's probably the zone that I like the most. One of the most recent additions was the telegraph poles. But I've got a lot to learn, particularly with the weathering of the layout, but I'm looking forward to getting the Altonhill Pit No.6 zone done. Now that's going to come in stages, so please don't forget to subscribe. and you'll get to see the whole thing, basically a sort of layout within a layout, happen right in front of you. And as always, I'm always happy to hear your comments. So thank you for watching, and once again, please like and subscribe if you choose. Thanks folks.